Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Can everybody hear me? If you guys can hear me, just type 1 in the chat box. So we'll start. Muhammad Ugar said no. I know it's a sarcasm, Ukar. Alright. People are joining. Let's see. Okay, so today we will be looking on to gold. Actually, today we are not going to do any aggressive trades, just because we are having a good. Assalamu alaikum. क्या हाल है सर, ठीक हो? एक चाय ला दो. और alright. So today we are actually looking on gold. और आज हम लोग कोई aggressive trade नहीं करेंगे because मार्केट में इतना एग्रेशन है ही नहीं, पहली बात. दूसरी ये कि हम लोगों को जो सेटअप नज़र आया, आई कैन सी दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड सेटअप एट द मोमेंट, एंड इट्स लाइक 1 minute लेफ्ट इन ओपनिंग ऑफ NYSE. So let's jump on to let's see gold first, then see some other pairs if we could find some good entries. कल का दिन आप लोगों को कैसा गुजरा, कुछ शेयर करें. सेशन आज 4th वीक का सेकंड सेशन है. सो प्रॉब्ली वी आर अबाउट टू एंड द सेशन. प्रॉब्ली इट्स नॉट हम नहीं कह सकते कि शायद हम ख़त्म कर रहे हैं, शायद हम इसको एक्सटेंड कर रहे हैं. वी डोंट नो दैट. आई नो, बट आई एम नॉट गोना टेल यू गाइस राइट नाउ. No trade, no loss. That is even a good thing. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. पहले मैं ये सब ड्राइंग रिमूव कर देता हूँ जो पहले ही नहीं है. अच्छा जी, गोल्ड 4 hour पे हम लोग देखते हैं. Gold is basically, as we all know that gold is dropping down every single day, so we can expect a good downtrend. Let me just note it. So we all know that gold is actually in a downtrend move. So let's jump on to the 1 hour time frame. Let's mark out some points. You can see this was one of our support level, which if we play with impulse entries, how it plays, like market came up to this position, market broke the lows, retested, and we entered again for the sells, right? So it was few hours ago, like around 3 to 4 hours ago, this move was done. But because now we are actually in okay, let me just add some more people. Okay, so now we are actually looking on to that gold can do the same move. It's gonna retrace some of the area. I'm gonna be marking the area, and it's gonna go drop down again. So let's jump on to the 30 minutes. Let's see. We are actually creating this support, this resistance over at this point. Now why this resistance? I'll tell you. उसकी reason ये है कि in the previous time, if you see, we had a good resistance over at this point. This was even our liquidity area. So market came up to this area and started pushing down without any problems or anything. So इसके अंदर on this trade we can see that the market has rejected a lot of time this area. So now this area is weak. So ऑलरेडी ये एरिया ब्रेक होकर मार्केट ने इसको ये एरिया ब्रेक होकर मार्केट ने इसको एक पुश डाउन दिया. नाउ दिस इज़ अ गुड स्ट्रक्चर दैट वी कैन सी फॉर द सेल्स, राइट? सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू सी एट 15 minutes एट द मोमेंट, मार्केट हैज़ रिजेक्टेड दिस एरिया. ऑलराइट, सो मार्केट की रिजेक्शन का मतलब ये है कि दैट येस वी हैविंग अ गुड area to sell for this market. अभी हम थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए सेल करने में, but we still have a good opportunity in the market. So we'll see. Let's see. Okay, so on 15 minute we have a rejection candle at this position where I was looking to have a good rejection candle. Now as we have entered in the New York session at the moment, so yeah, it is a good indication. अब आप लोगों को एक चीज़ और दिखाता हूँ for the confirmation of why we are taking this, why we will be taking this trade. Now look at this rejection candle, and this new forming candle has broken the low of the previous candle, so which is a good indication for us to move bearish. ठीक है, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna be putting my first entry at this point. I'm going to be jumping on my, okay, I'm gonna put 0.8 lot for the cells. Alright, and my stop loss is going to be somewhere around 1645.614. 1645.614. Oh, okay. 1645. Okay, कहाँ पे था मेरे को भूल गया. 1645 614. 614. So 4561. So this is my stop loss. My trade has been activated. Alright, so now you can see this was actually a good move. Now how I'm gonna be managing my trade. Let me show you. Why most of the people, I hope you guys are trading as well. Alright, so now how I'm gonna be managing my trade. Now look at this. We have entered because of this rejection candle. This was the new forming candle. Market broke the low of this candle and we entered, right? So this was a secure entry. Now what I'm looking, that this forming candle has to break the low of this candle. If this candle breaks this low, it is very much you can say it is very much confident that the market will be dropping down. But if it doesn't happen, what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be closing half of my positions when the price comes to my entry level. That actually cuts the losses, and that's how you manage the trade. Alright, so right now we have 9 minutes left to close this area, to close this candle. So let's jump on to the 5 minute and let's see how the market is playing. Okay, on the 5 minute candle we have closed a very good bearish candle, but above the previous this candle. This was the low of that on 15 minutes candle. So what I can see is, like, in 3 minutes and 40 seconds that this candle has to close below this area. If that cuts below this area, that is going to be very good. But if it doesn't, I'm gonna be closing half of my positions, so I can secure some of my profits as well. And yeah, like this. Okay, I think my stop loss is a bit short at the moment. I'm gonna be putting it at 46. Okay. So 46 flat is my stop loss. I just modified. Okay, so my 1 minute candle closed like on the support, but it is not breaking right now at the moment. So what we'll have to wait and let's see that how this candle goes. Our entry was good, quite good. So let's see. Okay, market is pushing upwards in like 1 minute. Let's see, let the trade run and let's find some other pair. Okay, let's go to 1 hour, reset, pound yen. Okay, what pound yen is doing? Wow, pound yen has, I think, a good entry as well today. Alright, Okay, so we are having an impulse entry on the pound yen as well, but how much range do we have to keep this trade on? We have like 25 pip range to enter in, pound yen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be jumping on the 15-minute. Okay, so it is a good entry, but due to this wick, I'm actually a bit I don't think so this gonna work out, but the probability of this trade be around 60-40. I would say 60% this could go well, and 40% it goes worst. So I'm not gonna enter pound yen at the moment, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be putting my alert on this. So once the market hits this level, I'm gonna be alert that the market is about to closing below this area, so I can take an entry from that area, right? So let's jump on to the gold again. Alright, gold is pushing down, and I think that's going to be a good trade of the day. Alright, do you guys have any questions regarding anything? You can just type in the chat box so we can start. TP, kindly tell SLs and TP. Okay, I'm gonna repeat it again. My SL is at 1646 flat, 1646.00, right? And my first take profit will be from my entry is going to be around 20 pip take profit. So I'm gonna be just putting that as well for you guys. So my TP1 is 1641.565, 1641.565, 1641.565, 1641.565 is my TP1. Oops, TP1 कैसा हो गया? Alright, this is my TP1 and 1640. Yes, thank you for the assistance for that. Alright, we're pushing up at the moment, so what I'm gonna do is let's jump on to the 15 minutes. Alright, as I told you, market has not broke this area and we have a good wick right here, so market can actually push up to fill that wick, so then we can see. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be closing half of my position right here just to secure my trade. Okay, I just closed half of my position. This is you have to actually securing your profits and losses. let's go to the GJ. What is happening with GJ? We're expecting to move down. All right. So as I told you that what if we have took the trade, we might be in losses because market has not closed below this area. So this wick was actually not a good wick for us to go for sells. Let the market close below this area, this 1681 168.400 area. Let the market close below this area so we can see that we can go for sells. Let's go to the gold again. Okay, gold is roaming around at that area again and again. So let's jump to the 1 hour. What I can see, the market can go up to this position easily and can form a good bearish candle. Let's see. Trade is on. SL was 1646. How it can be hit हो सकता है अगर if market move up to 1646, definitely. But we are actually looking that market can make a good bearish candle of 30 minutes around this position. अगर इस position में हमारे पास एक bearish candle बहुत अच्छी बन जाती है, so that is a very good for us because we are in the trade, we need profits, right? So we'll have to wait for the market to close below this area. But on a 15-minute, if we see, and even though if we go for the 5-minute, now you guys must have an idea that we do SMC stuff as well. So this is a good area that we can look for the sells as well, because we have a rejection candle, we have a order block area as well. So and market even has started falling down from that side, so that could be a good entry as well. So that's why we are waiting on this, on this. So let's see how the market will take us. मेरा काम मेरा काम था. ओके, आप उसको बढ़ा सकते हैं. मार्केट स्टिल hasn't gone to our first stop loss area. Okay. Did you guys have marked any pairs before the session or yesterday? You must have took any trade or anything. If you guys want to share something with me, you can send your links of the charts or the trades with me. यार मैं इसको यहाँ सेट कर देता हूँ. Okay, I think now it's fine. Yes, it's good. Okay, now this is a good area that a market has to close below this area. If that goes above this area, now then the trade has to be ended, right? So we'll see how it goes. This is basically a 1:3 trade. Oh, okay, pushing up. Okay, so now GJ has fallen down. Okay, GJ actually has pushed down to this area, and the alert got active. So but now it already gone up again. It played with us. So entry was a bit early. Initially when I took this trade, I was risking around $40 on this particular trade, right? With keeping my stop loss and everything. But as you know, I have closed half of the position right here. So what if I even hit my stop loss again? I'm gonna be in loss for like $9, $9.84. You can see that. Alright, so this is how you actually cut your losses, and this is how you have to manage your trade. I always say, every time whenever I get time on the live stream, to tell you guys that you have to actually manage the risk. So that is the number, that should be the number one priority for all of you, because once you're gonna secure your deposits and your initial amounts, definitely it doesn't matter if you are not in too many profits after a month or anything like that, but that actually counts in disciplines. For example, I have invested $10,000 in an account, and I'm looking forward to like grow it for 50% in a month, right? What if I have not made 50% in a month, but if even though after a month I have saved up that amount, like मेरे पास $100 पड़े हुए हैं उसके अंदर, $10,000 हैं उसके अंदर, so that is even a good thing that yes, I am having money in it. So sometimes you have to play, like you have to be safe in the trade things. So इसमें rush नहीं करना चाहिए. We just have to wait and see how the process should go. Okay, now the trade has been started. We have broken the lows of these two candles, so now the market can go for push downs. So basically now the trade has been activated. As I told you, our TP1 is about to hit, right? As I told you, we have to break this low of the candle. Now the candle has broken the low. Now you can see the impulse move we have got here. So this is a good thing. So our what we see here. Alright. Okay, let's see GJ. Right. GJ ने क्या किया है कि GJ ने alert active किया and it rejected and like moved up so fastly. I don't know why it happened. USD CAD is also about to go for sales. I'm gonna be on. So quite good trade on gold. TP1 is about to hit. We're very close to hit our TP1. TP1 was at 25 pips, and we hit our TP1. That's a massive, that's amazing trade. All right. Okay, and now one more thing. Now, most of the people must be thinking why I closed half of my position if I had all of my positions open. Now I'm gonna close half again. In profits, I'm gonna keep my stop loss closer, and now I'm letting the trade run. Alright, so अब काफ़ी लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे कि मैंने अपना लॉट साइज़ क्यों पहली ट्रेड में हाफ किया था उसकी और अगर मैं ना करता सो आई वुड बी इन लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉफिट्स और वो ज़्यादा बेहतर होता मेरे लिए बट जस्ट टू क्लियर आउट वन थिंग गाइस विच इज़ सपोजिंगली ठीक है जो मेरा 0.8 पहले लॉट साइज था व्हाट इफ आई वाज रिस्किंग $40 एंड द मार्केट जस्ट हिट्स इन लाइक सेकंड्स so I'll be out in like minute 2 minute 10 minutes an hour whatever so I'm gonna be out of the market with $40 loss but as I have managed the trade I still be closing in profits but the profits would be like very low but still I have made something and I have not lost something so ये चीज़ें बहुत मैटर करती हैं so you have to be very careful you know and you have to keep managing your trades just like the way I did so इन चीज़ों को सीखने के लिए people are actually subscribing to courses and stuff on this live stream everything is you know free you all know you guys are getting value out of it you guys are daily trading and to be very honest मुझे लाइव स्ट्रीम करने में एंड ट्रेडिंग विद यू गाइज आई फील वेरी कंफर्टेबल एंड आई फील वेरी गुड टू बी ऑनेस्ट सो ये चीज़ मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी लगती है इसलिए आई कम लाइव एवरी सिंगल डे do we have any questions? It was a good trade, all game of holding, yes, 100%. Alright, so the market is even going down for our TP2, but I would say the TP2 is on a good level, but I think we should have to move it a bit for like 465, 446 pip, so our TP is going to be 39.484. Now I'm going to okay now I'm actually going to risk free my trade. Okay, so what if the market goes up to this area and it's gonna hit my SL? I'll still be break even. I will not be losing any single penny even though I will be like closing in 0.22 cents, right? So this makes sense when you're making sense. So yeah, the trade on and let the trade run and let's see. Okay, market is rejecting this area because you know as this area got rejected on the previous as I told you the trade, so market went up to the entry point and came down again. So this could be possible that the market can move up to this area. Okay, इधर से market reject करके market can move down right now, but as we can see market already has broken the low of this candle, so it is highly क्या कहते हैं इसको, highly probable that the market could go for you know for bearish and close in the bear. So we'll see how it goes. Let's jump onto the 3 minutes and let's see. Okay, market has a good candle on 3 minute, so this candle should has to go down as well. I think I have to close all of my position right here, and I'm closing all of my position because the market has become very slow and I don't think so that we have to wait for it. I just closed all of my positions. So in terms of I even put a very small lot size, right, and even cut half of my positions. So it was around 10 pips, right, collectively 10 pips, but it was around 20, 25, 20, 30 pips because even I have closed half of some positions, so that's the reason. So trade, I hope everyone has made profits onto this trade. किसने क्या क्या ट्रेड कितने पैसे बनाए हैं, share with me. Even though it is 0.1 cent, still that is an increase. That's good, Abdullah. The bot has made $3.2. Abdullah has made $6.6. Who else have took this trade? Ali Suleri made $2.25. That, guys, this is actually a success. This is actually a success. Every single time when I come to the office and when I come onto the sessions, this is my priority. I always wants to make you guys profits. उसकी सबसे बड़ी रीज़न ये है कि इस बिज़नेस में सस्टेन करने के लिए we have to be very and काफ़ी ज़्यादा चीज़ें आती हैं. Okay, Raja Saad said $2 loss and $3 profit. That's probably an issue with your execution, probably. So you have seen a lot of people have made good money. Okay, now we have closed our gold position and the market is starting moving upwards, but I'm sure that the market is gonna go down, but good for the day, I think. And I think I should end the session. Do you guys have any questions or anything you guys want to ask me about anything? I can just unmute your mic and you can be interactive with me. Or I just close the session right here, end the session right here. I think सब लोगों ने profits बना लिए हैं. अब अल्लाह हाफ़िज़, मैं चलता हूँ. चलें, अच्छा सेशन था आज का. I hope you have why I'm hoping you guys have made. अच्छा, मैं चलता हूँ. चलें जी, अपना ख्याल रखें सब. Inshallah we'll see you tomorrow on tomorrow's session. Take care. Allah Hafiz. So I'm actually making all of your stories. Just drop your Instagram so I can repost for you guys. I can tag you in my story. मुझे अपने tags भेजने थे.